If you're an avid gamer, you probably want to play on high-end PCs and stream your gaming sessions online. But we know that not everyone can afford the expensive equipment that is needed to do so. Well, seems like you don't have to worry about this at all. Just head to Savage's GameZone, where we've got all those expensive PCs and private streaming pods that you've been dreaming of. Savage's GameZone is a modern gaming facility that comes with a food and bar area for people of all ages. Our luxurious gaming and food facilities make sure that everyone has something to enjoy when they're at Savage's GameZone. At our spacious setup, you and your family members won't only enjoy food and gaming, but can also learn more about the gaming and streaming world in our informational seminars. You can also arrange your summer camps, birthdays, and gaming tournaments at Savage's GameZone. For more information, visit SavageGameZone.com to know about our upcoming events and purchase yourself a membership too. Also, don't forget to keep yourselves updated by following Savage's GameZone on Instagram and Twitter.